Do got some of the cheapest blazers I've ever seen. That might be the cheapest Air Force we've seen in a long time. These are one of the nicest dunks we've ever seen. Hella cheap too. Got a killer price on Jordan 2s since we get 30 off. Zoom Freak 6s. I don't think I've seen these anywhere, have I? No. First time I've ever seen these anywhere. 10:15, got here 15 minutes late. I haven't been to the Long Beach Nike outlet in forever. I don't think I've been here more than 2-3 times this entire year, but something's telling me to come here. Let's go. No refurbs at this location. 30% off the back wall. Do got Airspan 2s going for $60. And we are starting off in the size 8. What are these? Some Zagamas. Zagama Trail 2s, $180. Got some of the Aquarium Blazers right here, $140. These are 8.5. Seen a ton of these in a bunch of different sizes. Air Max 1 tennis ball colorway, $100. Got some of the Roshis going for $30. Penny 2s right here, $65. That's one of the cheapest I've ever seen them. That's an awful colorway though. They got them in size 9 as well. Got a bunch of these Air Max 97 still, $120. Got 2s right here, $140 still. Then are these the ones that we saw on sale at Shoe Palace already? That was crazy. $180 here. I think it's cheaper there. Got some retro Forces right here, go for $95. Zoom 92s going for $70. Seen a couple of these undercover mocks right here, $160. Wow. We at the size 10s now. This is a dope colorway of the Airspan 2s, but way too much at $95. Forces, these are some highs, go for $95. More and more of these still go for $95. What are these? Are these the Foamposite slide? They're called the Clogposits. These are weird as hell. I've never seen these. Never seen these. Definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. $140 for slides. That's insane. First time here in like months and months and months. Not really seen much so far. I saw them bring a rack to the apparel section. Clearance apparel maybe? Let's look here. 30% off. They do have 4 different racks. Usually they just have 2 here, so maybe a little something, especially in the winter apparel. Actually, maybe summer apparel too. They have $40 for these. Angels hoodie right here, $70. Team USA t-shirts, $20. I think there's a Nike Yoga one going for $43. Another Nike Yoga. This is a navy, same price. Team USA t-shirts, $20. Those were all mediums. They got a lot of the same stuff in a large. Heavy duty hoodies right here. This one right here is super heavy duty, $70. After the Foot Locker deals, I'm looking for really big markdowns. Not really seeing it though. Who is that? Who is that? I don't know. Is this a collab or something? Freaking $115 normally? What is that? Am I missing something? Dry fit hoodie right here with unknown letter. Was this a Easy? Next rack right here, $15 t-shirts. By 15 I mean 30% off of that, but it is a small. But yeah, they got a bunch of running t-shirts. Got these football jerseys, practice jerseys going for $27. I think it was $27.97. I know it's gonna be like 3 or 4 people. Hey man, you made a mistake. Yeah, I make mistakes, whatever. Happens. $20 for those. Not really seen too many crazy finds so far. Fleece shorts going for $45. These look hella soft, but they look short. They look short. $24 for those. That is an XL. Got a big Jordan shorts right here, $44. That's double XL. Tech fleece shorts. These are a small. What are they talking about? Come on, end of season discount? Not really. $65. Here's a bunch of swimming trunks. Here's a bunch of swimming trunks. I can't really tell. They go for $25. It just says dry fit, doesn't say swim. And all kinds of yoga pants right here going for 37. They do have some sweats going for 35. And they do got elastic on the bottom. Tech fleece, this is double XL. $63. That's 44 after the 30% off, so that's not bad. Because right now, in my opinion, Tech fleece is Foot Locker's the spot for those right now. But do I see anything else? No, not really. All the yoga stuff. All right, let's finish up with the back wall or the side wall. Okay, they do got some solid prices. Look at this blazer, mids, 35 bucks. An extra 35 off. That's what, $25? $25 for blazers. Holy cow. 25 bucks. These are normally 100 bucks, so what, 75% off? Got tons and tons of these bad boys. I'll go for 120. Metcons that I do need. Of course, I ain't paying regular price. Jordan cleats right here. I did get word that they had a bunch of these at Foot Locker for hella cheap. But these do look hella dope. 140 for these bad boys. Too much. Not like I need football cleats, but just saying, 160 for those. Black blazer lows right here, going for 50. Makes it 35. Now what are these interrupting my video? What the hell? What the hell? Free Metcons right here. Heard good things about these. 100 bucks though, size 11. Got some Forces right here, $50. So 35 bucks for these bad boys right here. That might be the cheapest Air Force we've seen in a long time. $35? $35 Air Forces, holy cow. Trip started out super mediocre, but 35 for Forces, that is crazy. GT Hustle 2s, 170. Another one of these going for 35. Size 12s, not much, 95 for those. Got them in white as well for 95. 13s, kind of seem the same. 50 for those, 60 for these. More of these, no extended size pricing here. Forces, size 15s right here, 135. One of these, size 14, 140. Yeah, not much for big feet gang at all, dude. All right, checking out the aisles. Do got some attacks, couple different colorways. Trainers, we're gonna see these go down in price. Air Force 88s, Air Flight Light Mids. We can see it right here. Usually starts right here, longer it stays here, the lower the price goes. Flight Legacies, offline 3.0s. And then of course the budget signatures, always see a plethora of these. Witness 7s. Oh, they got the LeBron Next Gens, got Immortalities. And on the backside got a couple more of those. KD Trey 510s, as well as the Hyper Dunks. Then a plethora of the Team J's as usual. Got Terminators. Prices going down and down. Wow. I thought these were blazers. They fooled me. Forces. Didn't we just see this in the size 15s? Got some right here as well with the weird Nike logo. Also exposed air unit. Air spans going down. This is a dope colorway though. This ain't bad either. Trio of Air Max 2017s. That's way high. God dang, dude. They'll go down eventually. Plenty of 270s. We've been seeing a plethora of these at the outlets lately. Like all the retail stores were like, hey, don't send us over the 270s, man. They're not moving. Air Max 1s right here, and a very interesting, made out of a very interesting material. Is that just straight linen? I think so. Free Metcon 5s. Got a trio of them. I think these will eventually go down, right? We've definitely been seeing the Metcons go down. Gotta check out the women's clearance section right here, 30% off as well. Then I've been on a hunt for these. I need a size 10, man. 10 and a half right here, but just go for regular price though. Do got some Dunks. At least you get 30% off of these. Yeah, 115. Definitely interesting with the iridescent Nike swoosh right there. This suede. Plastic is The leather portion is very plasticky. 115. Jordan 2s right here, nice little discount, 130. But that's about it, man. That's about it. 115 for both of those. I'm moving on to the smaller, more normal size 9.5, 125 for the Dunk Low Twist. Nike by Derek. Maybe for his girl or something. I don't know. But yeah, the hiking shoes right there, 170. There's those trail running. Size 10 right here, Vapor Max 2023 Flyknits, $49.99. Size 9, $65 for Forces right here. Nike Ride Pegasus Trails, $90. The omnipresent dunks that we've seen at every outlet, 120. These are size 8.5 women's. Dunk lows right here, 95 for these bad boys. This is that one with the premium material. Yeah, look at that. That's really, really, really buttery soft. Holy cow. And does have like, what, gator skin or something like that? Faux gator skin. And the gum bottom. These ain't bad. These ain't bad, especially for $95. And then you get an extra 30% off. Got some Sabrinas down here. Sabrina 2s, that is, but it is retail. Got some wides right here, 180 still. And then 140 for these. Dang it. Oh wait, we got another one of these. Got another one of these that were returned, 135. So that black one definitely discounted quite a bit, because you get what, $35 off and then another 30%, so not bad. All right, let's check out the grade school since we're here. The SE Jordan mids go for 90. Zoom Freak 6s. I don't think I've seen these anywhere, have I? No. Zoom Freak 6s, they are going for retail. You should get the 30% off. But what do you guys think about these? Very similar look to the Zoom Freak 5s, to be really honest. But yeah, 115. Blazers go for 75. 6 rings go for 85. Got mids, $120, 110. Air Max 90s, $100. 2s, give us a discount on the 2s at least. Okay, $50. Okay, $35 for Jordan 2s. I was like, what are these Jordan 1 lows? But yeah, it's the one with no laces. That's why. Women's sizes right here. Got a hell of a price on these mids. And every Nike outlet, we've seen a ton of Blazers. Got plenty here as well, of course. And of course, we've been seeing plenty of Forces. These are some platforms, some shadows. These are whites, not bad, but priced too high. More shadows right here. And I've never seen these right here. These are pretty interesting. I got some faux gator skin or something like that. Do got some really nice soft leather right there. These are a luxurious version because it is an LX. Not bad if you like the color. Then 270s right here. Got plenty in the women's as well. Air Max 97s. And I think that's it with the women's. All kinds of generics. MC trainers in season. Trainer 12s. Yeah, Essential 2s. What the hell? Legend Essential 2s. Oh wait, we do have some dunks in the women's section right here. We've talked about dunks a million times yet. These are very, very plasticky. I'm just not a fan, but they're here if y'all like them. Moving on to the grade school, got Air Maxes, black and white. And then white, Air Max 90s. Got some Forces right here. Grade school Jordans that just released, what, a month ago? And a bunch of Team J's as usual. This section right here, definitely interesting. It says equipment only, so not the socks. Does that include this? Because I've been looking at these wallets, but it's a card wallet. It's not even a full wallet. All right, I didn't open it up. It was already open, so we'll take a look at it. I'll show you guys. Yeah, so it's not a money clip. It's not feels like a money clip or something. I would definitely grab it. But literally, you just put a couple cards in, that's it. Like maybe a money clip, like, yeah, man. I'm good on that. It is $30. You get an extra 30 off though. We got some belts right here going for 30. 30% off. I don't see a price tag though. Are they on top? Oh, okay. $30, normally $43 apparently. All right, definitely see some interesting stuff right here. Because we do get 30% off the backpacks. Got some generic ones, $40 for those, $35 for those. These are going for $30 right here. This one is interesting. Comes with a big, huge rope. And then, this is a sports one, I know that. This one's kind of like a budget Nike Elite bag. Because it has a huge drawstring. That's what that is. Yeah, that's going for $40. And got a few more up there. $40 for this one, $45 for that one. They do have the RPM backpack. This is the one I've been ranting and raving about, talking about forever. They had this colorway on sale at on the website, on the Nike website. It was 30% off, but look at the price, $102. And the reason I bring that up, my boy's been clowning me on the color of my backpack because it's like a pinkish color. I'm like, I'm not paying $102, even with 30% off. That's what, $72? Oh hell no, I'm not paying $72 for a backpack, dog. That's not happening. I paid what, 40 for mine or something like that. I don't know, maybe less, I don't know. But yeah, I'm definitely not paying close to $100. They do have Nike Elite backpacks, but no crazy sales. $60 as opposed to $80 at least, I guess. They do have gear for football and stuff. It is football season. If your kids are playing football, they do have them here. It is $40 though. It is $40, but if you need gloves and equipment, if you need stuff like this ASAP, they do have them at a lot of the shoe palaces, including this one. And knee pads, they got all kinds of stuff. No big discounts. 26 down to $25.99. So you get a whole 1 penny discount. This one's marked differently, and then they got the huge one right here as well. Someone mentioned Ross. I was like, I should check Ross. Also need to check Costco as well. $30 for that one. They do have a lot of red tags in the clothing section right here. $40 for these. They should get 20 off. Matching shorts, going for $40. Got them in that colorway as well. White t-shirts right here, $20. At least you get 20% off. So was that $16? Super bright apparel right here. Not the easiest stuff to match with. $45. At least you get a whopping 40% off. Not a fan of these shorts right here with the bottom all tethered. $40 for those bad boys. Fleece only. So you got these right here going for $50. You get 30 off. You got these $115. Holy cow. What kind of premium stuff is this? Oh, it does feel nice. It does feel nice, but $115. Holy cow. Normally $165. At least you get 30 off. Still way overpriced. They do have tech fleece. They have a wider selection here, obviously, than the Foot Lockers. Foot Lockers barely had any, but $60, or I'm sorry, $70, 30% off. $70 here as opposed to 40 something at the Foot Lockers. So yeah, at least the selection's better here. I want this smoke gray one, or yeah, smoke gray charcoal. I really like this color, but yeah, not for $70. Even though 70% is a huge bargain. 42 just sounds way better. I'm gonna hit up more Foot Lockers today. Got LeBron James jerseys right here. The number 6. He's back to 23 because 6 was retired everywhere, but dude got a few of those. $85. All right, even during this mediocre trick, we did find a few solid deals in the clearance section. Those Blazers, Air Forces for $35. That's just cheap as hell. I don't know, but that is pretty much the Nike outlet, Nike factory store out in Long Beach. Man, we out.